Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with something that I found pretty interesting. Let me just get right into it and show you what I'm talking about. Is right here. It is the new DJI 2, Mic 2, and what's really cool about this right here is that you can get this to work with this, and you're like, yeah, it's Bluetooth, Ken, come on, we got this. No, if you go and let me show you here real quick, like I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to go ahead and go into the Bluetooth, and then we're going to turn this on. I'll just take this off because so you can see the light. All right, so now it's flashing blue. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and just press this button and hold it. It's going to flash quickly. This should be able to identify. There it is right there. It's the DJI mic. Let me go ahead and turn that around so y'all can see that properly, right? So, but there's a DJI mic. Now we connect it. So now it's connected. It's fully blue. It's fully blue. It's not flashing anymore. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the camera. We're going to go ahead and go into a video mode, and I'm going to go ahead and hit record. And there's nothing going on the phone. And what do you mean by nothing? I'll explain in a minute. You're like, well, okay, this works. It's connected, Ken. Oh, I'm sorry, let me get that in there. It's connected. Everything seems to be working just fine. But one thing I didn't show you is when you first connect this to the phone, it says that it's functional in Bluetooth mode for phone function. Not for video recording, not for anything else, but phone function only. So it means that if you're on a phone, you can put this mic on you, you can talk to your buddies all day. Now, let me show you this. If you don't have this, go get it on your phone. It's on your phone, but what you want to do is you want to go to your more section. You want to look for your pro video. Now there's a bunch of other sections in here like hyperlapse, portrait video, a dual record, all that kind of stuff. But I've already put it down here and it's pro video. Now in pro video, mic, there's not Steve and Mike and Bob, no, microphone right there, mic. It says omnidirectional here. Bluetooth is on. If you look over here and you see these dancing. So now I'm going to turn the recording on, right? Now we're going to take this mic. I'm going to show you here while these little lines are dancing here. Check this out. You can't hear this, but it appears to be that mic is hearing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test. A lot of times people were turning on their phones and they're like, hey, the Bluetooth isn't working out so well and it doesn't sound so well. This guy right here is just trying to do its job. This, for some reason in regular video, do not work together. But as soon as you put it in pro mode, they work perfectly fine together. All that means is that you just need to be a little more conscious of how you set. But if you put your pro mode and you put everything else in basically an auto, but you go and turn on your Bluetooth, it's just like you're operating the standard camera itself. You just have more function and capability. Now, thing is though, with the pro mode, as you see there, you will still have to select your lenses. Usually it's not a problem. Just set to what you like. You want to zoom in a little bit more, you can zoom in on that camera and then zoom out as far as you want to go. I just wanted to make mention to you that this is a walk around if you prefer a workaround. If you wanted to make sure that you wanted to use this without having to use the dongle, like in the Mic 1 or even the Mic 2 setup, if you want to be able to use this directly into this without having to mess around with adding the dongle or anything like that, that's how you get this to work. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. Appreciate your time, and I'm out.